Welcome to my channel Static GK. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Which of the following is the largest in the inner planet? A. Earth, B. Mercury, C. Venus, D. Mars. Correct answer is option A. Earth. Which instrument is used to measure humidity in the atmosphere? A. Hydrometer, B. Hygrometer, C. Barometer, D. Bathymeter. Correct answer is option B. Hygrometer. Control processes depend on which part of the brain? A. Amygdala, B. Cerebellum, C. Prefrontal cortex, D. Hypothalamus. Correct answer is option C. Prefrontal cortex. Lipids that are solid at room temperature are known as A. Steroids, B. Fats, C. Oils, D. None of the above. Correct answer is option B. Fats. Lysosome is formed from which of the following cell organelles? A. Golgi bodies, B. Ribosomes, C. Endoplasmic reticulum, D. Nucleus. Correct answer is option A. Golgi bodies. The innermost membrane that covers the brain is A. Pleura, B. Dura mater, C. Pia mater, D. Organoid membrane. Correct answer is option C. Pia mater. Which is the longest bone in the human body? A. Fibula, B. Radius, C. Femur, D. Stapes. Correct answer is option C. Femur. Dash is a thyroid hormone which controls the balance of calcium in the body. A. Thyroxine, B. Calcitonin, C. Calmodulin, D. All of these. Correct answer is option B. Calcitonin. Accumulation of which one of the following leads to cramps? A. Pyruvic acid, B. Uric acid, C. Lactic acid, D. Glucose. Correct answer is option C. Lactic acid. Which hormone helps plants to respond drought conditions? A. Abscisic acid, B. Cytokinin, C. Gibberellin, D. Ethylene. Correct answer is option A. Abscisic acid. In which medical condition the eye's optic nerve damaged and the condition worsens over time? A. Cataract, B. Dry eyes, C. Age-related macular degeneration, D. Glaucoma. Correct answer is option D. Glaucoma. Which of the following type of medicine is used for treating indigestion? A. Antiseptic. B. Antacid. C. Analgesic. D. Antibiotic. Correct answer is option B. Antacid. Which of the following disease is not caused by water pollution? A. Typhoid. B. Cholera. C. Diarrhea. D. Asthma. Correct answer is option D. Asthma. Which metal is the best conductor of heat? A. Silver. B. Gold. C. Copper. D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. Which of the following is not a unit of energy? A. Kilowatt hour. B. Horsepower. C. Joule. D. Calorie. Correct answer is option B. Horsepower. A barometer is rising air pressure is A. 0. B. Constant. C. Decreasing. D. Increasing. Correct answer is option D. Increasing. What type of heat transfer in boiling water? A. Convection. B. Conduction. C. Radiation. D. None of the above. Correct answer is option A. Convection. The strength of an electromagnet can be increased by A. Increasing the length of the coiled wire. B. Increasing current supply. C. Increasing the number of turns. D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. The fact that the planets move around the Sun not in circles but in ellipses was first demonstrated by A. Galileo, B. Johannes Kepler, C. Isaac Newton, D. Copernicus. Correct answer is option B. Johannes Kepler. Unit of energy in MKS system is A. Ohm, B. Volt, C. Joule, D. ERG. Correct answer is option C. Joule.